I'm house sitting for Lawson again, and I woke up and it's really cold in here. I wonder if Lawson has any sweatshirts or anything. There we go. That will work. Now this is warm. What are you doing in here? And what is wrong with that face? Ah! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Ah! What a dream. That was crazy. Ah!